Video number 39. In this video we are going to look at lesson number 3. So I'm going to start to read now. Ho zakigu zinna zin karata ta, and there is a wasu down there, zinda meaning class. Ko nyakigu nisa ni ba meaning two. Generally, if there is no prefix ka, then this would be nya. However, because of the prefix, this nya becomes nya. That's why we say niba. We don't say niba. So this is niba. Okay, and then down here it's saying sa lopta lanaru lopha lop chana chen lop chen, meaning lesson. Ko sashabju summa sumba meaning three. Lopchen sumba in ume, and then in uchen sa lapta la naro lopha lop chana chen lopchen meaning lesson. Ko sashabju summa sumba. So generally, when there is a prefix, the sound changes. However, in this case, for the letter, for the suffix sa, it doesn't. So most of the time it does. Okay. So the next three set of letters are cha, nya, and ta. And the examples are cha, shakigu, shinga shing, chashing. Cha, shakigu, shinga shing, chashing. Cha, shing meaning tea garden. Cha, mo danaro donga dong chadong. Cha, mo danaro donga dong chadong. Again, because of this prefix ma, as you know, we have 5 different letters that could be used as a prefix, right? So this is one of those 5 letters. So generally, without the prefix ma, this is ta. However, because of this prefix, this ta becomes da. That's why mo danaro donga dong chadong. Cha dong meaning teapot. I don't know whether you can actually call it a pot or not, but basically it's a container or a cylindrical shaped container where you make tea. And then cha rakigu rilla ril charil. Cha rakigu rilla ril charil tea brick, as you can see here. And then nya ka nyaka meaning scale. Nyapa nyapa meaning fisherman. Nya wasu down there. Rakigo rilla ril nyaril. Nya wasu down there. Rakigo rilla ril nyaril. Nya ril meaning calf, as you can see in the picture right here. Ta la tala banana tree. Tanaro tokha tok ra zapta zadengbo tse tok tse. So generally for tsa, there is an extra stroke right up there. You guys should remember from one of the previous video, but since there's a stacked letter ra on top of the letter tsa, that's why you don't see that extra stroke right there. However, this only applies to ume. In uchen, it looks just like how it should look, like the tsa. See this extra stroke right here? It's there in uchen, but not in ume. So tanaro tokha tok ra zapta zadengbo tse tok tse meaning pickaxe. And then tamatam pashabjupu ra tambu ra. Tamatam pashabjupu Ra, tambura, tambura, a string instrument. So these are the different examples, and now we'll look at different sentences for these different examples. So the first three sentences are basically it's saying there are two women tea pluckers, as you can see in the picture here. So that would be pashabju puta pu ma dengbo meta me pume, meaning women, cha meaning tea, po tanaro to ka tok. Tok means to pluck, tok pa means plucker, ko nyakigu nisa ni meaning two, o dashabju dukha duk, pume cha tok pa ni duk, pume cha tok pa ni duk. There are two women tea pluckers. And the next example is cha mao danaro donga dong chadong, meaning teapot, o dakigu di rakigu ri kaasa rik, di rik meaning this kind, di this, rik meaning kind, panaro pöta pö meaning Tibet, nanga nang in this case meaning in. Generally nang means home, as you should remember from previous examples we had long time ago, but in this case nanga nang means in or inside. Pa dengbo peta pe, sa pata payata janaro jota ju peju meaning used, payata chadengbo cheta che, peju che means it's being used or is used. So it's saying chadong di rik pönang peju che. This kind of teapot is used in Tibet. Chadong di rik pönang peju che. Actually, this kind of teapot, or the container that's used to make Tibetan tea, is widely used in most of the Himalayan areas like Ladakh, Laos, Spiti, Sikkim, Bhutan. So in all these places it's being used. And the next example is cha rakigu rillaril charil, meaning tea bricks, o dakigu di chanaro cho dinso, meaning these, ko sashabju summa sum, meaning three, la rakigu rinna rin pa rimpa meaning cost, ka chanaro chota chu kachu meaning how much, ra dengbo reta re. So how much does it cost for these three tea bricks? That's what this is asking. So it's charil dinso sumla rimba kachu re. Okay, now the next example, next set of examples, and nyaka nyaka meaning scale or scales, o dakigu di rakigu rikasa rik, di rik means these kind or these type, ta dengbo tenga teng, sa nga sang teng sang meaning today, these days or today, yang yang pa ta pe. Oh, I think probably they might. Looks like I missed a vowel here. So this should be pa dengbo. There should be one of these one of these vowel up here. Padengbo, peta pe, sa, pata, payata, janaro, jotachu, peju. Peju meaning used. Ra, gata, gayata, ya. Cha, dengbo, chera, chir, yacher, meaning widely. And then payata, chadengbo, cheta che. So it's showing it, peju che. So it's saying nyaka, dirik, tengsang, yang, peju, yacher, che. So this one looks like I missed a vowel up here, the vowel dengbo. So this should be pa, dengbo, peta pe. And over here the same thing, it's the same sentence in ume, nyaka, dirik, tengsang, yang, peju, yacher, che. So it's saying these types of scales are still widely used today. Okay, so the next example is ka, naroko, nyapa, nyapa, sa, nyapta, nya, kiku, nyinga, nying, ra, japta, jadengbo, je, nyingje, jana, jen, sha, kiku, shika, shik, ra, dengbo, reta, re, ko, nyapa, nyingje, je, shik, re, ko, nyapa, nyingje, je, shik, re. He is a kind fisherman. Nyapa meaning fisherman, nyingje meaning kind, shik meaning is in this case, re, shik re meaning so he is one of those. That's kind of what it means. So he is a kind-hearted fisherman, or he's a kind fisherman. Ko nyapa nyingje jen shikre. And then the next example is nya, and there's a wasu down there. Rakigu, rilla ril, nyaril. Na kigu ni. Sha, kao, na ta ne, shane, meaning muscle. Nyaril meaning calf, right? Rakigu, rikasa rik, or types. Makigu mi, ao tarata da, minda, meaning different, minda, wa, pao, dashabju, dunna dun, meaning 7, na sa ne, pao, sanaro, su sa su. So it's saying nyaril ni, calf is, shane meaning muscles, rik mindawa, dun ne su. Nyaril ni, shane, rik mindawa, dun ne su. It's saying calf is made up of 7 different muscle types. So, and the next example, next 3 set of examples are pa, pashabju pu, ah, nadengbo ne, ashabju wu. Pa, pu, ah, new, gahapta ga, gakegu gi, nakegu ni, Guinea, Papua New Guinea, Nanga nang, Tala tala, Sa dapta, Danaro, Donga dong, Pa naropo, Dongpo, Tanga tang, Panaropo, Tangpo, Po tapa tap. Papua New Guinea, Nang, Tala, Dongpo, Tangpo, tap. Papua New Guinea, Nang, Tala, Dongpo, Tangpo, tap. So apparently banana trees were first grown in Papua New Guinea. So that's what this sentence is saying. And so if we break it down, Papua New Guinea, and then Nang meaning in, Tala meaning banana trees, Dongbo meaning trees, Tala meaning banana, and then Tangbo meaning first, Tap. In this generally tap means to plant, but in this case you could take the meaning as grown also. So generally tap in Tibetan means to plant. Okay, and then the next example is ka naro kosa ku laka lak ba ko chakigu chika chik la tanaro tokha tok ra chapta chadeng che tok che thanga thang ko shana shen la sa naro sora sor ra au kayata kyadengbo kera ker ku lakpa chikla tokse thang shen la sora ker ku lakpa chikla tokse thang shen la sora ker. Ku meaning he, lakpa meaning hand, chik meaning one, tokse meaning pickaxe, tang meaning and, shenla meaning other, sora meaning sickle, ker meaning carried. So basically it's saying he carried a little pickaxe in one hand and a sickle in the other. Ku lakpa chikla tokse tang shenla sora ker. So that's what this means. And then finally the last example, nga tamatam pashabjupu ra nga tambura sa bata bayata ja nga jang au danaro de ta de jang de yanaro ye ta yu nga tambura jang de yu nga tambura jang de yu. I want to learn tambura. So basically he's saying I want to learn how to play tambura. So you could replace this instrument tambura with lingbu, ka lapta lakigu linga ling pashabjupu lingbu. Lingbu means flute, sa gata garata da, sanyapta nyananyen danyen, danyen meaning guitar, and then ra ngapta nga meaning drum. So you could say nga lingbu jangde ye. I want to learn how to play flute. Nga danyen jangde ye. I want to learn how to play guitar. Nga jangde ye. I want to learn how to play drum. So this is nga, this is nga. Because of this ra at the top, this becomes nga. Without it, it's nga. Nga without it, nga with it. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And as I was saying earlier, I will show you some pictures. So this is chadong, and tea is being prepared right now. So over here hot water and all that stuff is boiled here and then put in here, and then they add tea leaves, milk, some butter, and then they'll churn it, and there. So basically this is what it looks like, and then you churn it up and down, you know. And if you do some search like for Tibetan tea on YouTube, you should find a lot of at least couple of videos where they'll show you how to make Tibetan tea. And some more pictures. Looks like the supervisor is right here, and then this is a tea brick. So this is how it looks like generally. And then as you can see, the butter right here at the top. And so basically it's butter, a little bit of salt, some milk, and then water, hot water. And these are the cups generally being used for the butter tea. Generally for tea, these are the cups that's being used. And this is for tsamba, like when you make a bak, then you use these bigger ones, and these are for tea. And okay, so that's pretty much it for. So basically in this lesson we did like cha, nya, ta, the different examples for those, and then all the different sentences based on those different examples. So keep practicing, and as always, whenever possible, help others. If not, at least refrain from harming others. Thanks a lot.